back to Seniors at Sea. I'm Angie, and I'm here to share with you right now the top small items that we think are very important as we're sailing on the seas. One of them is, this is the largest item right here. Everything else is so tiny. The reason I say it's the largest, it is a pack down type of fan. I want to hold it here so you can see how large it is. It is one of the largest items that we carry, but it's well worth it, and we wouldn't trade it for the world. It has so many different functions for us. It can be opened up here. It can be opened up here, so you can dust the fan blades off anytime you feel like you need to. But let me show you. It is a chargeable item. Where you recharge it each and every other day. You can leave it on throughout the night and such, but let me show you this. So you just pop it open here. I'm sorry. And you pop it open here like this. And this thing is so neat. I'm going to show you here on the desk. It goes all the way up. So if you want it high, if you want it low and you like it to be flowing right on top of you, you can do that as well. But we usually leave it about right here. Sometimes we'll put it in that position. You also could crank it up to this size and then put it right here at the vanity if you happen to like to have a fan on you while you're doing your hair and your makeup. I'm that girl. So this is a really nice little fan. It's chargeable by USB. It is a USB-A, by the way. I don't have it charged right now because we haven't used it the last couple of days. It's been freezing in our room. But when you do have it on, it has 3 different levels. There's 1, 2, and 3. If you can hear that, it's pretty loud as far as the air blowing. Also, it helps me sleep at night because I like to hear a little bit of noise, because when we used to have our home, I could hear the fan at night. So, and then you have just a breeze, okay? You also can make it turn from left to right, so it just rotates back and forth, and that way both of you can get nice air if there's 2 of you, or if there's just one, however you want to do that. Oops. Anyway, so this is the Prime Volve fan. Definitely worth every penny. We have not had one complaint about it yet. It's been our favorite fan to travel with. So that's this one. All of these items should be linked in the bottom in our description. Please make sure that you check it out. It'll probably start with Lasso, and those are each monitored through the affiliate link system. The next thing, we've talked about this many times. This is our universal travel adapter. This is a definite necessity if you're going to be traveling a lot, whether by sea or just by land. This is definitely a must. It covers different plugs. I don't know that you've ever noticed, but on your cruise ships, you have different plugs. You have a couple of American plugs, US plugs. The rest of it's European, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, European, so it's this. So with this one adapter, I can plug in plugs here. I can plug in USB-A's, USB-C's, and it is so handy. And the only plug around the ship outside the room is the European plug. So if we go outside the room and we want to work on our computers or charge our phones, we find one of their plugs, and it's usually in the floor somewhere. I'll put some pictures up of it, and we plug this in so we can plug in our computer and our phones and all that fun stuff. So this is definitely a plus. It's also it also covers UK, so it's got the plug for that. It also covers the USA, so it's got the regular plug here. So this is definitely a must if you are a traveler. It has been well worth the little bit of money that we spent on it. So definitely a plus. Now I wanted to talk about this. This is the Roku Stick. I had no clue what a Roku stick was. My kids had to teach me a little bit about it. But this is a must. Sometimes we get off the ship. We may stay at a hotel for the night before transitioning onto another ship. I'm sure it can be used here as well, as long as you have the internet package, but it does need internet to run. So basically, this has all of our apps. It has our Netflix. It has our Roku TV. It has all of our other apps, Hulu if we have it, Peacock, all the apps you can think of, HBO, everything that you need is on this stick. It's already signed in. It's your information. So you want to make sure you keep hold to it and don't forget it. So I have to set myself an alarm every night before we go that I need to take this out of the back of the TV. We've already left it one time. So this is, I think it's about 26 bucks, but this is so awesome because when we get into a hotel or a TV that we can use, you just pop your USB in the back of here, in the back of your, or the side of the Roku stick, okay? And then you pop this USB-A in the back of the TV, and then this into the HDMI. Can you see that? HDMI, USB. So you USB-A. So you plug that into the back of the TV, and then it links to your phone and then pops up. Now, you may have to change the HDMI on the TV to whatever HDMI opening it is, 1, 2, or 3. So once you get it to that, you're going to see Roku automatically, and you're going to be able to see all your favorite shows. You're going to be able to see all the channels that you used to see at home. And so this is definitely a plus. Really, really like this. I think I might have a link to it down in the description. If not, I'll be getting it on there pretty quick. So let's talk about another small item. This is a Bluetooth. Now, Bluetooths are not really allowed on some of the cruise lines, but this is so tiny, nobody sees it. I don't take it to the pool. I don't take it anywhere outside the room. I put it on when I'm doing my makeup. All my downloaded music in my Apple Music or whatever I've got downloaded, I've purchased over the years, I can just connect it right here, put it somewhere, and the room has a nice flow of music. I love it. I love it. I love it, especially when it's romantic time. So I just think it's a cute little thing, and we never, blast it or anything, but this little thing can be very powerful. And this particular one is a Camiso. And as you can tell, it just fits in my hand. I could fit it on my key ring if I wanted to, but it's got a up and down volume, a turn on, everything. So, and it just connects Bluetooth just like any other one that you buy on the market. But this is small, compact. We can take it in our suitcases, no problem. All right, last two items. I always have erasable marker. Okay, I have one in every color because I like them. I think I have 4 or 5 colors. But the reason this is so important is I know a lot of people keep on their doors outside, they'll keep like notes. Hey, went to the pool, went whatever. And sometimes I see them wiped off, so I don't know if it's people walking by wiping them off or whatever. But I'm a little bit more private that way. So I get the erasable marker. I don't need an erasable board. I either write it here, hey, at the pool, come get me. Love me. Okay, and this erases off. You don't need to buy an eraser or anything like that. It just erases off just like that. Or you can put it on the mirror in the bathroom. Whichever you and your sweetheart choose, just choose that area to write and then erase it next time around. So each of you can communicate just in case you don't have access to communication on your phones. Now, last but not least, and I'm going to put a little video in here of each situation so you can kind of see how I'm using it. This right here is a shower cap. Okay, I love the shower caps. I pick them up everywhere I go. I even ask sometimes, hey, you got a couple of extra shower caps to the cleaning people? I just want to make sure I always have a few of these on me. What's so cool about this is, let's say that I'm not feeling very well and I need Rick to go grab me some food from the buffet. He grabs it. He pops on the top, which I'm showing you a video of this now. He pops on the top to the top of the plate, the shower cap on top of the plate, sorry, and it's kept fresh, heated, and it gets to the room without everybody in the elevators breathing on it and it getting cold, almost spilt, you know, those kind of things. He's able to do that discreetly, bring me the food, or vice versa. Or maybe you just like to take some snacks to the room, some fruit, some cookies, something that won't go bad quickly. Just put this on it. Put it in the refrigerator, or put it on the countertop. Then you have some fresh food for later. So that's my tips for this week. And next week we'll have a whole bunch more. So I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for showing up. And until we meet again. Okay, here I am. Thank y'all for watching, or excuse me. Hey, this is Angie with Seniors at Sea. Another little tip for you. I always keep the shower caps in every room that we stay in, whether it's on land in a hotel or on a cruise. And I'll tell you why I save these. This is a prime example. We had this leftover cheesecake from a nice restaurant tonight on the ship. Excuse me. However, we did not get to eat it there. But I just wanted to share with y'all what I do with the shower caps. So if I go down maybe to pick up some food from the buffet or something, and I want to bring it back to the room and I want everybody breathing on it, or, you know, trying to keep it covered, I just take this. I put all my food on my plate, and then I take the brand new shower cap and I put it over the plate, and then I can put this in the refrigerator if you have room, or just leave it out if it's meant to be left out. But this is such a great way to keep your food from getting anything on it until you're ready to eat it. So until we meet again.